So this is a Phantom 3 DJI, and we're going to make this baby fly. So first thing we need to do is go to your phone, turn on the airplane mode, then turn on your Wi-Fi, and now you turn on the remote, and in here you need to click once and then click again and hold, and then you let it go. It's going to make a noise. Okay, and now see if you can see my screen. We'll be able to see a Phantom 3 here. Just click on that one and we'll try to connect to it, and so it's obtaining IP. Once that is done, we are going to open the app and then make this baby fly. Of course, I'm not gonna start from here. I'm going to go over there on the street, so to the front of the house, but for now I'm going to just be sure that you can see what I'm doing and how it works. So connected, right? So you can see here. So now what we need to do is just go and open the DJI Go application. You see here camera, you see Phantom 3, and once you open the camera, you see your the camera is already working. So let me get closer to this, and it says aircraft altitude mode, so that will not hover. Yeah, so it's just like some caution thing. Let me see if you can I'm gonna put my phone in here, right, so you can see that I'm there. And see this button here, this is the camera, so I can tilt the camera up or down. Of course, this is the ground, so it doesn't show more than the floor, and all the way up it shows the street. So let's go to the middle of the street now. So I'm gonna grab my thingy, the camera and everything. I'm actually going to try to fly from here. I think this is good enough. The red part is where it is pointing to, and so you see there are a bunch of trees, but looks pretty quiet, so I'll try anyway. So you see here, so I'm gonna try to show you two ways, right? So first thing, I'll click in here and land and take off. Boom. Now game on. Yeah, look at that. Right, so if I move my camera, if I turn it sideways, let me see, I'm right in front of the house, so you can see me. And there are settings you can change to make this camera clear and all that stuff. I didn't change anything. This is out of the box. So you see me here. And right now, let's go see what it does. Let me see. They say flying open space and all that stuff. And here I am, in between the trees and everything. So I'm gonna try to do this with a single hand, but look. And you can still see, I'm gonna turn around to see the neighbor's house because the light is better. Move the camera up and down. Look, right, it's pretty smooth. If I go all the way up, yeah, look at that. So you can see It's way up there. Let me point down here. So you can see the street. And I'm going down, coming back down. And again, you can see me here. And that's it. It's down here. It's pretty fast. Look at that, how cool. So to land, you have few ways, right? I'm going to first press this button here that says go back home, and then boom, then you can see it. It will go back home to where the GPS was, and of course it's not 100% accurate, but it went back and landed by itself. So boom, right? The other way is you land, click this down and hold, and this does the work for you. So let me put the camera a little back in here so we can see a little more. And again, I'm going to click on this thing here. You can see the map too, right? This is the basic app. So I'm gonna say take off. It's hard when you don't look at the screen. And then boom. Right? And this here goes up, down, and turn the aircraft like sideways, look, like this. And you can see here the image. And the other one is the one that goes sideways, front, back, and goes crazy. Look at that, like this, right? So that's the second. Yeah, look. So let me see if I can So now I'm going to try to land just by myself. So the camera is there, you can see the camera and you can see the drone. So I'm going down. It's very windy, so it's not very good. I'll try anyway. Going down, down, down. And when it touches the floor, you keep holding it and hold all the way down, and then boom, it turns off. Cool. So I hope you enjoy. It's like 10-minute video. The image is pretty cool. It saves on your phone. So let's do a little record, and I'm gonna show you this here.